In the previous video, we looked at an equation for flow rate. Let's now take a look at an example of how to calculate flow rate. Water flows through a fire hose of diameter 3.5 inches at a speed of 15 feet per second. Find the flow rate of the fire hose in gallons per minute. There are a couple of things we have to watch out for in this problem. First, we are trying to find the flow rate, which is equal to the speed multiplied by the area. In this problem, we aren't given the area, we are only given the diameter. However, this diameter also poses a problem because the area is supposed to be in square feet, but our diameter is given to us in inches. This means we need to convert the inches into feet, so we will have an area in square feet. 3.5 inches divided by 12 is 0.292 feet. Remember, area of a circle for a hose is pi multiplied by the diameter squared divided by 4. Our diameter should be 0.292 feet, so we can substitute that in. When we calculate the area, we should get roughly 0.06699 square feet. Now that we have the area, we can find the flow rate by taking 15 feet per second, which is the speed of the water, and multiply that by 0.0669 square feet, which is our area. This gives us a flow rate of about 1.0035 CFS. However, the question is looking for the flow rate in gallons per minute, so we have to take our answer in CFS and multiply by the conversion 1 CFS equals 449 gallons per minute. This gives us a flow rate of roughly 450 gallons per minute. In the next video, we will take a look at incompressible fluids and Bernoulli's principle.